Hi guys, Megan off Leash Canine Boise. Meet Snickers. Hi Snickers. Hi. Snickers is our newest 2-week board and train. She is a 6-month-old Irish setter. The owners bring her to us because they've had her since she was a puppy, and they say she's a sweetheart, but she's a bit of a wild child. So, first and foremost, Snickers is pretty rambunctious. She likes to jump up on you. She likes to steal things off of the counters. She likes to play really rough with other dogs she meets. So, we want to work on some control with Snickers training. We're going to do this in a lot of different areas, but a big one is going to be the place command. Place teaches Snickers to get up on new and different objects and hold that position until we release her, which is going to help with some boundary training. In addition, place is actually a really big confidence builder for dogs, and Snickers does lack confidence. She can be nervous of new people, of new situations. Even when we first met her, she was a little bit nervous of us, put her mouth on us a couple times. So confidence building is also going to be a big one. In addition to that, she's a setter. She has a really good nose. She loves to track smells. So right now she will play keep away. She will not come back when called. So having her come back to us, especially around distractions, is going to be very important. Of course, like most puppies, she likes to pull on the leash, especially with her nose. She'll just find a smell, pull you around on the leash. So we also want to work on that heel command with her and the leave it command, just making sure she doesn't put yucky things in her mouth. We are so excited to work with her. We absolutely love Irish setters. So make sure you stay tuned for her transformation. Good girls. Oh, not good girl. Snickers. Good job.